everybody, Hillbilly Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning, Recipes, a little bit of everything. A couple of updates. Garden did take a hit on the freeze last week. We had some damage to our green beans and to some of our cucumbers. I'll show you those in a minute. But look at those skies. Right now we're expecting a little north of here. There's golf ball size hail in our county, and we're watching it. There's some storms to the southwest that could touch on us, but I'm not sure yet. I'm watching the radar. But let's go to look at my garden. Here's my green beans. You can see they're not looking so hot. I think I'm going to be okay though, because if you look here, I got some new growth coming up in between these old fried leaves. And I really would like the rain, but we'll see what the good Lord gives us. So that's what the green beans are looking like. Let's walk over here and check on the cucumbers. Squash and zucchinis, they're doing just fine. So here's what my cucumbers look like. Kind of the same story. The leaves took a hit last weekend, and but I do see some new growth coming up in between. So I'm very hopeful. I did replant a little bit just to make sure. Very discouraged earlier in the week, but hanging on to a little bit of hope. Something that we need to think about is we're expecting another cold front to come through, and we're going to get down to 36 degrees again tonight. I'm not happy about that. We're having some very, very odd weather here in Texas for this time of year. You can hear the thunder. I don't know, maybe you can't with the wind. But yesterday we had south winds that were about 25 to 35 mile an hour winds. We were having some 40 mile an hour gusts. It is from the south. It's going to turn around to the north here shortly, and we're going to get some more cold weather. Again, I'm not happy about that, but let's check on my Brussels sprouts and my broccoli. They seem to be doing just fine. Go over here and look at my greens. Greens seem to be holding up okay. Of course, they're enjoying the cooler weather, and it's just going to make them prosper more. But I am concerned about my green beans. Let's take another look at them here. If any of you guys know if that's something different than the freeze, please let me know. But I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because everything is showing these same signs. Tomato plants are okay, surprisingly. That was the ones I was worried about last week, and they're doing just fine. So that's the update for today. I may have one for you tomorrow. I hope it's okay news. We don't want to get down to freezing again, but when they say it's going to get down to 36 degrees, again, we're on the outlying areas. We could easily get down real close to freezing, and I'm hoping we don't do that. I'm not sure that these plants can take another blow like that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, we ask that you like the videos and you subscribe to our channel. You can walk with us through this and we can see what all happens. But say prayers for us. Take care. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend. And we'll probably see you sometime tomorrow or Sunday.